No, I just want to talk to you guys for real quick. I don't have so much time, but it's an address that I need to address to the youth of our country, to the youth of Zimbabwe. I mean, to the young people that are in our country. Whether you're in Zimbabwe or not, apparently we have other people that are not even youth as well, that I think maybe we can help out here, because paningamuka element balance. So let me address two issues. The first issue is that it's very sad. These past 2-3 days, these past 2-3 days have been crazy, and we lost people that were very, very popular in our country, people that made a difference in our country, people that did a whole lot of things. We followed them, we liked their lives. Mati? Yeah? Yeah, it I put this. No, you know what? Mdara, it's fine. The side road here now. Yeah. Just leave that side, it's fine. Okay, Ibo, it's fine. Let me give you something and then I'll come back, eh?
No problem at
all. I'll come back and then we sort out the rest of the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp.
Anytime that I'll just come.
Yeah, I'll let you know when I come back. Okay, cool. So listen here. This is what I wanted to tell you. I didn't want to do this live whilst I'm driving, but let me. Okay, it's fine. Whilst I'm driving, but let me just try to fix this. Why is it? Reason you don't wanna send does not buy you a ticket to heaven. That's the first thing that you need to understand. The reason that you are broke does not make you any difference. You are just a broke, stupid person. Listen to me. I want to address to kabenza kane face yake inenge hips yabudila kumeso. Wakambona makamona zuma videos zwana ne gonorrhea ne sick. The sick yeka yobudila kumeso. Ndo zvakaita unge kanonza nikashada yake nyukeka. Mukonza the main reason why there is so much fuss between Ginimbi and Michelle is this. One, Ginny has created a lot of jobs for the people in Zimbabwe. Pioneer Gas is a very, very big company that added value into the stupid economy of our country. There were a lot of jobs. There were a lot of young people that were working in dreams. My dreams. Van makawanda vana vadiki vakapiwa basa vakatanga kushanda mudreams. Van makawanda vana baba vanani vaishanda pa mansion paper. After the all white party, have you ever asked yourself kuti ndianaka cleaner that whole house? A lot of people were called to come and clean that house because that's where the fuss is coming from. The guy is different from you. Look at you. You are broke. You don't have anything. You have no future. You face you look like you're stupid. The fact that you have money, the fact that somebody out there has money does not ever make you evil. Where you are broke, how many broke people out there? I've heard Christians saying, hey, Ginimbi was given a blessing that was too big for him. How do you know blessings are too big for people? Were you there when blessings were issued? Were you, even when God was blessing people, were you there? Were you there? How do you determine that this blessing is too big for someone? You are a very stupid imbecile. You have no value in the community. Genius had so much value in the community. There are a lot of young people that guy gave jobs. Not only that, a lot. Jinimbi was arrested. A lot of you were arrested and you went to Chikurub there. Jinimbi was arrested. You noticed a lot of problems in prison, including Hopewell. Hopewell akasungwa akaenda kujerugo. Akadzoka chero the conditions are bad. The conditions of the guy vanhu vanorara pakaipa. He didn't do anything. Jinimbi was arrested. He stayed there for 2 weeks. When he got out, he bought blankets, he bought pillows, he bought clothes, he bought a lot of things. I was once arrested myself. Ndakaenda kukotugo. Takamira kukoti nevanhu vaibva kujeri vaikumbira pen. Pen yaikumbira munhu aiti ndipo kana refill. I can sell it in prison and want something. Jinimbi bought them food. He did not just leave prison and he left like that. No. That person was a prominent guy. He was a very prominent person in the community. Stop running around and labeling you. Ko munakafa modiko kutaura zvakanaka. Munakafa modiko munakafa. Culture yedu inoti wafa wanaka. Ngatidzidzei kutaura zvakanaka zvaakaita. Mamwe madofo mamusati mamboiona Lamborghini. Makafadza meso yenyu kuiona yaunzwa na Genius. Going back to the fact that you want to spread conspiracies. Some of you came out with, there was bullet wars. There were bullet wars. The following day you came and you said, no. Mishonga kadi. Kobe Bryant akafa maZimbabwe. Makaswera mchimposta Kobe Bryant anambobvira akaita live one Kobe Bryant achitaura Shona imbwaimi. Never. Kobe Bryant haana kudonha nechikopokopo. Makadi kuti arowane meni. Makadi kuzvitaura zvokuti arowane meni Kobe Bryant. Haana kudonha nechikopokopo Kobe Bryant kuAmerica. Mese nyika yese kutonge makambo attend. Have you ever attended one NBA match iwewe? Unofamba nyine zoita mishonga why conspiracy unoizira kupi mishonga inda uri kutambura une information inda uri kutambura une information tarisa uone uri kugara kugrinora pamba pevabereki vako 18 mageneration muchigara ipapo ndo pakazvarwa amai vako ndo pakazvarwa sekuru vako baba vambuya vako amai vatete vasekuru vako ambuya vako ekumarondera mese munogara ipapo one day charo one day randozenira wakamboona Kobe Bryant achiposta ataura nechirungu but makaswera mchimposta Kobe Bryant rest in peace legend rest in peace what wakamboatenda NBA match iwewe dofore munhu makazungaira maZimbabwe. The only person who created a lot of jobs for you ndiye wamakutuka nhasi kuti mishonga yake vanhu vangani vaibhadharwa masalaries twasikana hobot kwandaiona. Alright, unoziva here kuti vanhu vese vaiuya nedoro mubhawa mudreams memi vese vaiuya masalaries. Those are salaries. The guy is a prominent guy. Then a stupid imbecile comes and he says, what's the fussy? Jinimbi was what? And all of you are busy saying, it's true. What truth is that? Is there any truth there? You can't say anything good that the guy did. Akaenda kujeruko akasiya atengera magumbeze machi vanhu vakadzi magumbeze achiri kufugwa kuchikurubi akasiya atengwa na Jinimbi akasiya atenga magumbeze kuchikurubi. Hope hana kuenda kuchikurubi akangodzoka achikudza kuti people are struggling in there. He bought nechikafu vanhu vakanzwi. But you don't think of all of those things. Jinimbi home mangani. The fact that he did not go and post kuda no ndripano pa home ndava pa chikafu. The fact that he did not do that doesn't mean he didn't do it. mushonga unoizira kupi, hauna kana sendi, hauna kana 1 rand. Kwa hiyo information yese unayo. Lamborghini unoida iwewe, toziziva Lamborghini unoida, Rolls Royce unoida, information yese ya unayo. Inda uri broke. You go ahead and you label a 26-year-old woman, a 26-year-old girl who did a lot of things for her family. I knew Michelle personally. I was very, very close to that person. She did a lot of things that a lot of girls cannot do in Zimbabwe. You label a hoe. You unaro one rudi ungonohura. Enda kaunohura tuone kuti ungafambe nayo here Benz, ungagare here pabhuruku, ungaite sei zvese zvakaitwa na Michelle. The whole family, Michelle was a breadwinner. Look at her child. You go around and you say bullshit on social media. You know that the child is going to be raised. The internet does not forget. Let's leave a memory, a good memory for that child. Parukukura zota mai vangu vanga vari munhu akanaka. Muri vanhu vakaita seiko? Muri vanhu vakaita sei? Amufunge, there are people who are seriously close. Family members who are seriously close to those people. You don't even think about them. You don't even think about them. What kind of people are you? What kind of people are you? Michelle did a lot of things that a lot of young people cannot do. She was raised in a family where things were chaotic. You take it, one little word that comes from the father. In the hippie family, dude, say one family is number issues. One family is number issues. When last did you see your mother? When last did you see your mother? When last did you buy your mother anything? There is no family on this earth that has no issue, especially from our country. Especially from our country, there is no family that doesn't have issues. Why can't we just accept? Let's leave memories. There are people who are so close to them, they are hating. Nobody wants to die the way these people died. No one. Some of us, we are scared to even drive. Every now and then you go into a robot, you are scared, we are in shock. And all you could say is, yeah, vakazoromba, yeah, vakazorana ningi, yeah, wanga uri. Were you there? Were you there? Were you there? Inda uchiziya nezvema rituals so much, but you don't even have 1 rand. You don't even have 1 rand. Wagoziya steri kuti ninga keta maraka hura, kwa hiyo kuhura iwewe. Hauna here rinohuriswa racho, hauna. Hauna here rinohuriswa racho, hauna here, unaro one. Saka uri kutambura nei une information. We cannot give Shadaya relevance that he does not deserve. He's a stupid guy. He failed. There's a failed career there. There's nothing that we can look at that guy. Jinimbi created jobs. That's where the fuss is coming from. Michelle did succeeding as a woman in Zimbabwe, succeeding as a woman with a child in Zimbabwe, having to drive in Zimbabwe a car, taking care of your family. That's success. It's not about being a millionaire. That's success as it is. Michelle took care of your child. Your child had a heritage. You also kwanza kuchengeta wako mwana chaiyo urikutadza umuchengeta. Urikutadza umuchengeta wako mwana. Urikutadza umuchengeta. What kind of people are you? What kind of people are you? The fact that you are broke does not make you any perfect. You are not even righteous. You yourself. Urukupa wani madola. Aba dola na aba 300,000 makangofanana. Wakatiza ni change one. Wapiwa change akawanda wakatiza. Ukaburuka kombo sino badara one. Unoburuka kombi kangani kwa unoburuka kombo sino badara. Hausikukwiru na marume wanu every day yum. The fact that urukukwiru wa $2 wakufamba uchuza wanu yese uti you are righteous. The fact that you are broke does not make you any different, my friend. You are still going to die and you will still go to hell. You are still going to die and you are still going to hell. Death is not, mark my words, death is not a punishment for sinning, you stupid assholes.